Like I say, it really depends on the context for which you're writing. So for example, one of the things I'm currently working on is this kind of mystery score. And one really nice way to approach kind of mystery music from a kind of harmonic point of view is to write strings of minor chords, so you get this kind of sense of never-ending question marks. And this is a very different effect harmonically to the kind of diatonic stuff we were just looking at. So for example, I've just come up with this chord sequence here, just on flautando strings. I'll just play the chords in root position so you can hear the chords as they are. Just this series of minor chords which gives this feeling of constant questioning. Now playing them all in root position like that isn't going to flow very nicely, so I'd be more likely to play the chords kind of like this. Maybe even throwing in that major seventh there on top of the minor chord for a bit of a Hitchcock Herman type vibe, using more adventurous harmony for that sense of classic mystery. In fact, I can really open out those chords and really play them in a very open way. Of course, this does involve playing with both hands, so you don't have so unless you have a third hand, you can't really operate the dynamics wheel. So you might need to put that in as MIDI first, and then do a separate pass doing your mod wheel. And again, we could really think about depth here. I could double that perhaps with some alt mics. Playing, for example, harmonics. So if I could, of course, try the harmonics here in this patch and just turn this to Fa. See how that sounds. Pardon the pun, it gives a little bit of sort of air on top of the sound there. One thing that can sound really nice actually are the basses on harmonics. That can sound really interesting. Let's hear how that sounds tucked in there. It's a bit more interesting as a sound. So you can see by layering different articulations and different mics, you can get much more sort of depth and feel to your arrangements.